Why NEET PG 2025? Counseling is getting delayed. Official reasons and inside reality. The wait continues for thousands of NEET PG 2025 aspirants. Even though the results were declared weeks ago, counseling has still not started. Naturally, students are frustrated, confused, and desperate for clarity. But finally, an official explanation has come out, revealing why this delay is happening and who's responsible. Let's break down the real reasons behind the NEET PG 2025 counseling delay, as confirmed by the National Medical Commission, NMC, and state officials, reported by Medical Dialogues and other credible sources. So far, NEET PG 2025 results were released on August 19th, 2025 by the National Board of Examinations in Medical Sciences NBMs. Since then, aspirants have been waiting for the Medical Counseling Committee MCC to start the All India Quota AIQ counseling process. However, there has been no official schedule, no registration notice, and no confirmation from MCC or NMC yet. This has caused huge anxiety, as many candidates are unsure whether to join jobs, renew internships, or wait for seat allotments. According to a recent report published by Medical Dialogues, NMC and state officials have cited two major reasons for the delay in NEET PG 2025 counseling. 1. Pending seat approvals and new college permissions. 2. Ongoing court cases related to NEET-PG. Let's understand each one deeply. Every year, before counseling begins, NMC needs to finalize which medical colleges are approved for the new academic session and how many seats are available in each specialty. For 2025 to 26, several new medical colleges and additional PG seats are still awaiting approval. Until this final list, the seat matrix, is ready, MCC cannot begin the counseling process. Officials said, and I quote from Medical Dialogues, the process of seat approvals and seat increase in various medical colleges is still underway. Once that is finalized, the counseling can be initiated. So, the delay is partly administrative because final numbers of available MD/MS/DNB seats aren't yet confirmed. The second and more serious reason is legal complications. There are multiple court cases currently pending in the Supreme Court regarding NEET PG 2025. One of the major petitions demands complete transparency from NBEMS, asking them to release the entire NEET-PG question paper and the corresponding answer key. Because these matters are still sub judice, meaning they're under court consideration, the NMC and MCC are being cautious and avoiding any step that could later be challenged legally. So essentially, until the Supreme Court gives clarity, the regulatory bodies are holding back to avoid future complications or cancellations. Now, while All India Quota counseling is on hold, some states have started preparing for their own state quota rounds. However, many state officials have said they cannot proceed fully without knowing the finalized AIQ seat matrix. This is because seat allocation at the national level directly affects the number of seats that remain for each state. So, in short, the central delay is creating a chain reaction, slowing down both AIQ and state level admissions. For aspirants, this delay is not just procedural, it's personal and emotional. Thousands of doctors who cleared NEET PG 2025 are still waiting, unable to plan the next phase of their career. Many of them have turned down jobs or locum offers, expecting counseling to begin soon. Some are financially and mentally struggling, caught between uncertainty and lost time. Social media is full of comments from doctors saying things like, "We studied for years, cleared the exam, but we're still in limbo. When will our journey actually begin?" This ongoing silence from authorities has only increased frustration among the medical community. This isn't the first time NEET PG counseling has been delayed. In the last few years, delays have become almost routine, caused by policy changes by NMC, pending Supreme Court petitions, seat approval backlogs, late academic session starts. These systemic problems show that the entire medical education regulatory framework still lacks efficiency and coordination between NBEMS, NMC, and MCC. Experts believe that India's postgraduate medical system needs a fixed annual academic calendar, similar to UPSC or IIT systems, so that doctors' training, hospital staffing, and student life don't get disrupted every year. So, what's the next possible step? Once NMC finalizes all seat approvals, the seat matrix will be sent to MCC. MCC will then publish the official counseling schedule and open registration. If the Supreme Court clears pending matters, the process could begin within a few weeks. But as of now, there's no confirmed date. Officials have assured that the counseling will begin as soon as legal and administrative hurdles are resolved, but the timeline is still uncertain. So, that's the complete truth behind why NEET PG 2025 counseling hasn't started yet. It's not just about one department being late, it's about a system struggling to synchronize between medical colleges, the NMC, MCC, and the courts. Hopefully, the upcoming weeks bring clarity, and future sessions can run on a more predictable, student friendly schedule, helping you stay informed, aware, and ready for every update that matters in your NEET PG journey. If you found this update useful, don't forget to subscribe to Grammedical, follow us on Telegram for instant counseling alerts, and stay tuned for more such verified, simplified explanations. Because when it comes to NEET PG, right information equals right decision.